Are you expecting a baby and are confused about which infant car seat to get? Well, that makes sense because shopping for infant car seats can be very confusing, but don't worry. In this video, I'm going to be showing you the best infant car seats of 2025. The Nuna Pipa Air RX is a super popular infant car seat. The reason why it is for a couple reasons. Number one, it is really, really light. There's Aeroflex foam, which is shock absorbing foam, which is inside of the interior of the shell. And the thing that makes this also really amazing is that it's really easy to install. There is this rigid latch system, which you just click right in, just like a little stapler, and there's a load leg as well. And the Nuna Pipa Air RX is compatible with both Nuna strollers and with a host of really popular strollers. Here is the Evenflo Shyft Dualride. This is a stroller that turns into a car seat. It's very easy to turn it into that position. All you have to do is just grab and you lift it right down and you just pop it right into the base. Great, but the cool thing about this car seat is that you can actually just remove the car seat part to move around about your day. The Doona is an infant car seat that turns into a stroller. It's the original. What you do is you just remove it from the base. It's a super safe car seat as well because this handlebar acts also as side impact protection. But what you do is you just take the Doona, pop open the feet, put it towards you, and it turns into a stroller. So it's super convenient for walking around. You don't have to put a second stroller in the trunk. You just take that, turn it into a stroller, and then to turn it back into a car seat, you just adjust it, lower it down, and you pop it right back into the base, and then you take the handlebar, move it forward, and it acts as an anti-rebound bar. Wait, I'm not done yet, but I have to tell you about Goodbye Gear if you don't know what that is. It is the marketplace for gently used, secondhand, and out of the box, basically new strollers, car seats, and baby gear. Go to goodbyegear.com and see if one of these strollers or car seats are available for you to buy at a great deal. The Chicco Keyfit has been one of the most popular car seats in America for over a decade. Whereas the Nuna is found in specialty stores and department stores, the Chicco Keyfit can be found on Amazon and Target and other super accessible stores. The thing I like about the Chicco Keyfit is that it's easy to install as well with its Chicco Keyfit installation system. Just remove the car seat from the back. You have these tethered latches on the side. You just click one in over here, the other one over here, and then you just put a little weight and you pull. And there's less of 1 inch of movement at the base, left and right and front to back. And the thing about the Chicco 35 is that it has an anti-rebound bar. You'll see out there's a Chicco Keyfit, a Chicco Keyfit 30, and a Keyfit 35. The 35 is the one I like the best because it has this anti-rebound panel, and then you just click it in. The Chicco Keyfit works with, obviously, Chicco brand strollers, but also other popular strollers. The Peri 180 from Maxi-Cosi is not only one of the lightest car seats on the market, but it also swivels towards you. Let me just show you. What you do is just grab right here. Baby's facing you, so you can look at the baby when you bring it out of the car, way more ergonomic. Just grab right under here, lift it. It is actually extraordinarily light. There's a shade to cover the baby when they're sleeping in the car seat. Easily pop it back in. Also really easy to install and beautiful fashions. The UppaBaby Aria is UppaBaby's latest infant car seat. It is super light. It's only 6 pounds. You can see it here attached to an UppaBaby menu, so it works very beautifully with various UppaBaby strollers, but it is really, really light. The reason why it's light is because there's aerated plastic all along, which takes out weight. There's also a non-rethread harness as well, so you can adjust the headrest up and down as your baby gets bigger. But remember to always have the straps of the car seat below the baby's shoulders in the rear-facing position. The Clek Liing is an infant car seat that is super safe and made in Canada. I love it and I highly recommend it. Let me show you some things that make this unique. Like I said, great, super safe shell. You could start with at a low birth rate. It cradles the little infant babies really, really nicely. Just remove it from the base. But here's the thing that makes this really unique, is there's a little white mechanism right here, and this pulls out the rigid latch. Now this rigid latch, that steel goes all the way through the base, which means that it's extra shock absorbing with super strong steel. And it's really, really easy to install with these long latch connectors. All you do is you click it in, and then what you do is you push those two white pieces and you push it in, which pushes the car seat base away from the front seat. There's also a load leg, and also the base adjusts to find the perfect position for your baby. Then you just take your infant car seat and you click it back in. To see full reviews of these car seats, learn more, and find out where to buy, click the description below. And if you like this video, please give us a like. It makes a huge difference. And if you want to see more videos like these, please subscribe to Magic Bean's videos today. I'll see you at another video.